Alright, I welcome you once again. My name is Director Micky. People are facing a lot of problems with their IT, video editings, and other stuff. So I'm here to remedy their situations. Yes. And I have another channel here on YouTube at MMH Ghana. Yes. And I am the CEO of Micky's Media House. So I'll be taking you through some few steps to recover lost files with a third-party software. Yes, yeba no trimo. You said there are a lot of tutorials out there. Year or brofuman ka bit me heading. I heard so they recover our files and I say data be our losing. But me to me boy I we will trimo. Na ma wait me and your hunt yes. In time they can my intro no and go for problems bebre. Ebi mo ekotwa videos anase ebia filmmakers otwa video no wi a onhu ne be ye na ebia videos ne bia delete every memory card no so anase ade what I say ebia wo files bi sorry programs ne ade sorry project works school mu ne ne ade na a delete how dwen ho wonte ase he wo hwe laptop yi so hifa ana wo hu wo search se den unhu and I'm coming to help you to know how to recover files or folders and as a document bibia will lose here maybe a piece in so and answer on your drive and you bear on a drive what I say pen drive normal pen drive and on a easy same crofort I losing your mouse yes piece in so the most of the times in case be a folder we say folder we DCIM we say and yes mummy and fafofro ebia this one my name in the folder we see so onsa mistakenly now onsa komia delete to see ba obet my fortunate so be recycle bin mono na eden wo ha do you get me no quickly ultimate restore no fast na every recycle bin na ababa the hanum say back do you get me na in some cases no na ya p to realize say ebia o ade no e pen drive so see a pen drive we am set a 16 gig do you get me yes na me bie mu no me wo awo no picture bi fefefe enye easy cra oda hanu ma wa steady wa ready to rambo I just say wa ready for productions and say me try so na picture we mefe inti no man pese me delete but mistakenly no ana me sakomi a delete no oh yeah wow anom say bisa me are you sure you want to permanently delete this file because unim ne nti a bisa usa external flash drive so what I say inti no ehun bibia intimi enkonkoka recycle bin na medical chiremo no so inti we refuse ho na mistake kobo yes no say Kim a patcho picture no forever unhu sa picture we biem e kwan ben na be fa so a we recover picture we in case we say here na back asem sebe for you to confirm say ampa any recycle bin no my mbie ni ehwe ye biem mo say empty showing say ampa picture no I refi pen drive no so crack yesu bakra ye ho hwe nye we ana director Micky an mewure mu ayen fifi mu ehu say there is a software and as a third party software bia e betimi abo and we recover sa file so what you say yes in check say command next IT computers are work at the eastern region what I say the telephone number ni go on message ya to screen so mpacha o work at the opposite fresh FM much require so one ma udu one ma was in patch on be shop any be a friend woyo Pacho bedru hon na next IT ebo honum tashi obo dwumaden ye de bo akademan ene kwa bebrem nyina fa no IT sem phone sem enye use ene u run shop no dia pacho kese pa o peso fix CCTV cameras ne nyoma me pacho ene u kwan sem kasa bebre. Let's jump straight into our tutorials today na yehu software ne the mini tool power data recovery me version no 8.8 until I'm going ahead to launch this. Yes, NAB, you know. Come on. Into saying it here. Baby and Nabi Bia them come drives na wom fine. So into initially before so baby software and making sure say there is a file you want to recover. from a particular drive. Do you get me? Are connected to your PC, both internal or external. So what I say, in way drives do a warm PC and a show hanum saying. Do you get me? Into me shading size name me pen drive na me delete I won't no video. You can send a picture no free soon. Any na me be muboko by double clicking. Into no obesha hand ma and while running a hostile be. A running a hostile be. Me double click here no a year automatic scanning. So what I say? A fifi ma hwehwema hu. Enoma elkoso. Enti so hwe hanum say ya a ready in percentage and how so ye time no. So ABI you don't know how to install this software be more registered and I say obetima crack this software no. Me patcho e be dey no nkomo akiri but we dey me do firm straightforward am who say files be able losing no obetimi I recover with this software. Your friend no mini tool power data recovery. My version I'm using a 8.1. 8.8. Into almost say registered for business technician. And you grown MMHED. Into you register quite fast so I toy and I say for the a patch actually be doing commotion they can catch on. If you are in Ghana and so now say you want this software, a bit measure 1-on-1. Depending on the speed of your PC, the size and I say the number of data and our pen drive no so no a pre-scan as a yes some simple scan be so now recently no ma lose ye no I then actually the amount nti say be one person will be disturb o PC no in scanning the distance na massa and how so be able game be e dey atwen relax na feel when you go make sure say fast to do find any ade no egusu read kama so what you say even as you watch and make sure to subscribe and now share to your friends. I just say, man, you're selfish. Because this content is going to be available at MMH Ghana on YouTube. Into Nkrofobe Humbi. Into share my own crop so. Now when you're done, Omuntimin who say ampa, who lose data be there is a way I will be to my recover. Na Ghana ni, I director Micky, and I decide I then edit trail war. Into no send me kind depend on the speed of your PC and also ebia we be hidden softwares be and I say ebia we use maybe background patcho me say me editing softwares me ansa nti machine speed from ba you can think say I'm making good progress right here into negusuko he say I'm 18% into mummy entering me ka see you trying a bet into my fast forward no
Faminante, log in, the word for no me.
Play rock on it.
It's games.
Yes, so it can take you hours. Mine took me minutes, and it's worth it. Yenshe, sibe hu files na me lose yena. I mean file na me lose yeno. Se minye hu enu nko oh my dear, me ni beje dodo. Aha. Depending on the size of the file you lost, and it can take you days, cry, and son away to my recover. So what I say, yes. No, me the way say no, na a camera need to try. So what I say, we be na one on the already ensure they try. I mean, everyone my processing na graphically JPEG file. So what I say, and it been JPEG camera file raw. So. Umpe how be an wabanchemu you video the answer honey ade. Into I'll go straight to meme category the median falling into that no. Na click it. And I say my double click so. And when yam shake a CB yaba. Yes. Into you shade dia who's a picture we are na me Lucy me wa and some other files be our hanum. So, already that's it. One thing I want to say, a DNA a dafa no so no emba about file 110 file C, the most important thing is say over selecting your open. Na idea there was software we say a preview of the item and I say idea will lose you know. File now losing a preview. I'm waiting my day. I recover saving the kama. Into boss saving this one. By left click on it. Now there's a pop-up menu. So what you say? Pop-up menu we be behind say a be another section I'm say save it. Fatu hinfa. Me patrol advisable say we be save it to different folder mukra on the PC. So what you say? Na etimi abo kama. Yes. Intini so we na say nhwa. Na ne we be baby to say music no money ade ko desktop side no. So be honu man na we select your folder be. No abo okay. That's all. You'll be good. Na just a recover of file no no. Inti guys aha na dey enedi na AC. Make sure no subscribe to this channel. Now we stay connected. A lot of vibes about Rebecca said how to get the software cry is a problem. Yes, it should be. I want you to stick to my content. Next one, I'll show you how to download it, crack it, and then use it successfully. Wadaroma. Mesra also be streaming more of our videos on this channel. Na etimi abua and abua also. Why? I had a delay with computer hacks and tricks and a whole lot. Into no personal streaming. Medawasi bebre. Meeting once again the director, Micky, Ghana's youngest creative director and content creator in Sri Lanka. Why?